Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to add GIFs to your Facebook story on your Android device. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device and ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story, located at the top of your feed, to initiate the story creation process. Step 3. Capture a new photo or video using your device's camera, or choose an existing photo or video from your camera roll to feature in your story. Step 4. Tap on the sticker icon, typically displayed as a square smiley face, situated at the top right corner of the screen. Step 5. Search for the GIF sticker among the sticker options available. Step 6. Once you've located the GIF sticker, place it anywhere on your story by positioning it as desired. Step 7. When you're satisfied with how your story looks with the GIF, tap Share to post it to your Facebook story for your friends to enjoy. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your Facebook story with fun and animated GIFs to engage your friends and followers. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to add GIFs to your Facebook story on your Android device. Have fun creating dynamic and engaging stories with the addition of GIFs.